Hi guys, welcome to my video today. I am going to be making some pineapple juice. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I love making tons of different detox drinks, and pineapple is a really awesome thing to have in your detox drinks. It is so good for you, full of nutrients, antioxidants, and pineapple can help aid in weight loss. So we all know there's no magic pill to lose weight, but pineapple has so many awesome nutrients in it that it definitely can help aid in weight loss. So I'm going to get my juicer out. I'm gonna make some pineapple juice. I'm gonna add in cucumber and mint also. But so pineapple is full of vitamin C. It's great to fight inflammation. It's really good. Doesn't obviously cure cancer, but there's lots of studies that show that it helps reduce some cancers. So anything to help you just be healthier in general, I'm all about it, you guys. So I'm gonna make up this pineapple juice in my juicer with the cucumber and mint, just tons of healthy stuff, full of water, full of nutrients, and just really good for you. So I'm gonna get all this made up. I'm gonna prep it and put it into my juice bottles that you guys know if you've been around my channel that I use them for all of my juice prepping. So I will link my juicer and my juice bottles in the description box. So check those out if you need some new ones. So I'm gonna get this all made up. All right, so I have my juicer, and then I cut up the pineapple into just some chunks. And so I'm going to add in the pineapple and the cucumber. I cut the cucumber up in some smaller pieces as well. And so I am just going to juice it in my juicer. I really like this juicer. I've had it for a few years now. I've had it for quite a while, and it is really great. It's easy to clean, and that's one thing I was really nervous about when I wanted to get a juicer, is I heard that they were just a pain to clean. But this one's not that bad at all. It's only a few parts, so definitely not that difficult to clean. But I am just going to juice everything together, the pineapple, the mint, and the cucumber. And like I said earlier, pineapple is so good for detoxing. It really aids in digestion. It's really great to support the immune system. It's very high in vitamin C, which is awesome for the immune system. It is great for the cardiovascular system. And just really all around great for anything with weight loss. It's super high in fiber and high in water content, which is great if you're looking for some kind of detox drink. It's also really low in calories. So it's all in all, I love pineapple. It is just really great for you. It also helps burn fat. It boosts your immunity. It suppresses inflammation and just tons of health benefits. So you really can't go wrong with drinking some pineapple juice. I have another pineapple water that I like to make. It's really easy. If you don't have a juicer, you can definitely make the pineapple water just in a mason jar. So that one's super simple and really great for you as well. And also, as I mentioned earlier, I have an entire playlist of my detox waters and teas. I love drinking tons of water, tons of teas, and anything that helps just detox a little bit and add in some nutrients and get rid of all of the bad stuff I love. So check out that playlist. I'll put a link to it in the description box. But this juicer, like I said, super easy to use, and it's very quick. Like, I'm using this whole pineapple, cucumber, and mint and everything, and it's only taking a couple of minutes. All right, so this is 2 pineapples and 2 cucumbers. So I am going to portion it into my juice bottles that I love. If you guys have been around my channel, you know I use these for all of my juice prepping. I will link them in the description box, but they come in this huge pack from Amazon, and I love that they are reusable. So it's wonderful. So I'm gonna portion this all out, and then these will be just ready in my refrigerator for when I want my pineapple cucumber juice. So I feel filled these about 2/3 the way up with the pineapple cucumber, and then I topped them off with water. But these juices are ready to go and so delicious and healthy. So really, really good. I have an entire playlist of detox drinks. So check out that playlist. I will link it in the description box. Tons of awesome drinks. I love them. A lot of them have apple cider vinegar in them. I love apple cider vinegar. But these pineapple cucumber ones are all set and ready for the week. Hope you guys enjoyed this. Leave me a comment if you have any questions at all. Don't forget to check out the link in the description box for these awesome juice bottles. And I will see you guys all next time. Bye-bye.